Look. Hey, if somebody sneeze, I'ma smack them.
Smack 'em.
If somebody sneeze, I'ma smack them. If somebody sneeze, I'ma smack them. If somebody sneeze, I'ma smack them.
Achoo.
If somebody sneeze, I'ma smack them. If somebody sneeze, I'ma smack them. If somebody sneeze, I'ma smack them. If somebody look,
Yeah.
sneezing by your boy, that's a felony. If
Felony.
you ever get it in, ain't no Bellamy.
No.
If you see a hot chew, ain't no God bless. I'ma pop in your damn chest. I'ma let it be known that it's over, bruh. Cause if I catch it, then it's gone, but it's over us.
Over
Yeah,
us.
they telling me what's real, but it's over us.
Over
There's
us.
something else they hiding, and it's over us.
Oh, if you
damn.
look a little bit sick, don't even get it, then 60
What?
hit me. And if I do, don't know if I wanna go to work, you see,
What?
cause I gotta run the register and take your money.
What?
And the money is disgusting, and it's got full of them church, and I don't know if I'm gonna be even worth it. You mean they don't pay
What?
me enough to go out to risk my life? I'm not a cop, I don't deserve it.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to do what I gotta pay my bills,
Hey.
you know I got a whole lot of problems.
If they sneeze by your boy, I'ma smack 'em. If they sneeze by your boy, I'ma smack 'em. If they sneeze by your boy, I'ma smack 'em.
Smack 'em.
If they sneeze by your boy, I'ma smack 'em. If they cough, I might knee 'em in his chest piece. I'ma
Whoa.
tell you what it is, cause it ain't me. Yeah, it's real outside, it's real outside, it's real outside, baby, let's see. I don't even want a booty call.
Smack 'em.
I don't even want to do the song.
Smack 'em.
If she hit my line, I might hit her back and tell her something, baby girl, I'm sorry if you cough on.
Smack 'em.
Hey, if you sneeze by your boy, I'ma smack her. If they cough by your boy, I'ma smack her. If you got a runny nose, if you try to put me dough, when I'm feeling on the blows, I'ma smack her.
I'm tired of all these sick people getting all in my bubble, and they ain't gonna pop it though. There's gonna be some trouble, yo. I'm so paranoid 'cause it's the news and media got me old mind control, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Bro, this is life that we live and the things that we do. It's hard times and I don't know what to do. But everybody keep on continue to live the life like it's normal, dude. But I don't believe that it is what it is. I feel like the government deceiving us. They ain't telling us the full truth. They don't want us to know, dude.
They don't want us to know what's really going on. They
Yeah.
don't want us to know what's really going on.
They
Why the
don't
hell
want
they
us to
stop?
know.
Why the hell they stop? Why the hell they stop?
I'ma smack you.
Hey,
if you
they
sneeze
stopped the
by me,
NBA,
I'ma
they
smack
stopped
you.
everything.
I'ma smack you.
They stopped
Sneeze.
all the games. They stopped March Madness. Damn.
I should smack you.
If you sneeze by your boy, I'ma smack you. If you cough by your boy,
I'ma smack you.
Yeah, they took away the games. Yeah, they took away the game. Man, this shit is a shame.
I should smack you.
Ah.
I'm so proud of being sick. I'm with a different type though. I've been hit 3 or 4 times though, cause people don't know the difference between them, bro. I mean, I sneezed and one out, this lady said, let me get the fuck up out of here. I said, dear, I got allergies, it's allergy season. Don't you know that 90% of people get tested, get sick for a different reason?
Woo! If you sneeze by your boy, I'ma smack you. Bitch. Nice.